talking about experiences, we've got things like master classes, in cooking master classes. We've got hiking, we've got city tours.
Nice. Bar hopping, I've heard of.
Bar hopping, you name it, we have it.
That sounds so exciting.
7,000 plus experiences.
Woo. One of the things I'm definitely looking forward to is one of the street food trips that they have. So you can go and visit all of the local street food places in a city and eat to your heart's content. And I think we're going to do that today as well.
I've started. He's already started. He just offered me a kakadi.
Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing these insights with us, Santosh. Sonakshi and Zahir, now I've got questions for you. When you think of travel, what kind of experiences are you looking for? I'll start with you, Sonakshi.
We love traveling. I think Santosh was very, very correct when he said that, today most people really want to bank on experiences more than anything else, and I think no better way to experience life than travel.
True.
So for us, it's very important that wherever we go, we kind of learn, we see the local experiences, we have them. And the food, of course, is also a very, very integral part, because I thought I was a foodie, but then I married someone who is an even bigger foodie. And I think the way we are very good travel buddies as well.
Okay,
so
perfect.
wherever we go, it ends up being a great experience. So yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So you all complement each other.
Yeah, we do.
Clearly.
For instance, it's a mix of adventure, relaxation.
Aha!
Jodi is fantastic. And even for me, when I travel, I like to live like a local. So I like to have the local cuisine. I like to do stuff that the locals would do.
Nice.
So even my way of commuting would be the way the locals there commute.
Oh,
so,
that's
yeah,
interesting. Yeah. And do you join in, or are you?
I do actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like
whenever
that?
I go, I love to just walk, because I don't get to walk that much over here.
Yeah.
So when I'm outside, where it's a bit more freer for me, I just end up walking, and that way you can see so many more places, and just discover the place on your own, stumble upon something that you probably thought would never be there.
Right.
So it's a lot of fun, just kind of walking and being one with the place you're in.
Absolutely. What about you?
I tend to usually go with the flow because of my work. I travel a lot, right? And usually work trips are very, very hectic. Except for this one, I have to say this is very unlike a business trip for me. But usually when I travel with my family, I'm just doing what my wife wants to do and what my 7-year-old wants to do. So I'm just following that. So
That's sweet.
they do all the bookings.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, and I wonder where they do all the
I was
bookings.
just going to go for Zico, and then he finished the sentence, and I was like, go Zico.
So I also wanted to ask, a little birdie did mention that the two of you like to go to local places to eat food when you all are traveling, and just indulge in the local cuisine and things like that. Is that true, or is it just a
Yeah,
rumor?
absolutely.
Very,
Because
very,
what's
very.
the point of going there where you can't get a taste of the local food and stuff?
In fact, recently we went to New York, and a couple of friends and family that we met there were like, we'll take you to this restaurant and that restaurant, and we'll have, and I love Japanese, but even then they were like, I was like, I don't want to eat Japanese food in New York, because I'd rather eat the local street food that you have there, because any restaurant you enter, you feel like it could have been anywhere in the world.
True.
So the fun of just standing on the road and eating the local cuisine on the carts is, I think, the best thing.
Right. What did you enjoy eating the most over there?
The rice, the mushroom on rice, I love.
And you, Sonakshi? I know you all put up a lot of stories with food, so.
So one really cool and cute place we ended up discovering on our last trip was this museum of ice cream.
Yeah, that was my favorite one.
Oh my God.
Probably now.
That was my favorite.
So it was really fun. It was a new experience. It was a fun experience, and I really enjoyed having. We had what was that first ice cream thing it was? Cream cheese ice cream, and it was one of the best things I've ever eaten. So yeah.
Wow.
It sounds so odd, but oh my God, it was so good.
Okay, thank you for this tip. I think we all know what experience we definitely want to have when we're going west. So, now that we know that both of you love traveling, that that you both love food. Now we can venture a little bit into the whole experience of traveling for food. So, shall we proceed behind the counter?
Yeah.
We have something very exciting prepared.
Proceed with caution.
Yes, yeah, I'm sushi. They knew.
And
Come.
मैंने जो भी बनाया और वो जिसने भी खाया मैं उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेती हूँ. Okay?
So I'm here not to cook, I'm here to watch Sona cook. It is. Once I was really sick one day, and Sona so sweetly made something for me to feel better.
What was
Warm
that?
water.
Warm water.
She made it so much love in that. I felt so much better.
You felt better, huh? That's all that matters.
Is that the extent of your cooking?
That pretty much is.
Really?
I couldn't heat the water properly. I don't know how I messed that up.
कौन आ रहा
But are you a good
हाथ लंबा
cook?
करना भाई कैसे करूँ मैं
Yeah.
ये वाला ये करूँ ये वाला ऐसा करो
Fantastic
हाँ
dal
कर
makhani, can
I was waiting to see where this is headed.
I was going to be like, should I be invited to
ये
sample this
ये
country?
बनाता है बेवकूफ बनाता है.
I have tried it once and I couldn't eat the food after that because I was like there's so much of energy and so much of time that goes into making something. I was like इसे 2 मिनट में खा लूँ मैं. खत्म हो गया. I tried dal makhani actually. My mother was on the phone and helped me. But when I ate it, I was like खत्म. Why not to make this? That's the whole thing.
So hats off to them.
Makes sense.
We
Oh, yes.
really appreciate you for the great food that you cook and feed us. And it's gone in like 10 seconds.
So this is going to be a masterclass similar to an experience that you can have on booking.com. And yeah, I would also love to hear what your favorite cuisine is.
That's the mic once I got my glass. So, I'm more of a local cuisine person, so Indian food is my favorite kind of food. And what food is, and we have a very emotional connection. So I usually like, connect my memories with food. So when I was growing up, I used to travel a lot, and every holiday we used to take off and go to my grandmother who lived in Patna. And she used to feed us the best Bihari food. Litti choka, sattu ke parathe, and like, just the stuff that was very, very, very local and
And made with love.
yeah, and made
Daddy's
with
heart.
lots of love. Yeah, dadis, yeah.
Daddy's heart, yeah.
So that is what I remember,
Love.
and I really crave for a lot.
All right.
So I think we have the
That's
same
an
recipe
emotional
here today, right?
connect.
Sattu ka paratha.
Oh, is that what you're making today? Sattu ka paratha?
Looks like it.
Because she knows all the ingredients.
Looks like it. आप मदद करेंगे ना मेरी? हाँ? देखो पहली बार कुछ बना रही हूँ लाइफ में.
और खाना मुझे भाई.
तो प्रेशर मुझ पे नहीं आप पे है. आप सिखाएंगे. हाँ? Okay, amazing.
Zahir, what about you? What is your favorite cuisine?
So mine is Japanese
Okay.
because I think it's over the years it's been instilled in my brain that it's a healthier option. So you get tasty food, but it's very high protein. So I like to stick to my
High
sushi and
protein.
sashimi and my high
However,
protein.
sattu is also high in protein.
No, I love Indian food. And on every holiday we need one Indian meal, Indian food, no matter where we are in the world.
Oh,
I know
okay.
this one time we were in London and we decided that we want to have Indian food. And I made Sona wait for the whole night, and I said tomorrow I'll take you to for the Indian food. And we took a train 2 hours to Brighton because there's this beautiful, like very amazing place. I think it's called India Summer, something like that.
Okay,
It's Indian Summer. It's got the best thalis. So
Yeah.
I've taken a 2-hour journey, gone there, had the thali and come back because that was our craving for good Indian food.
And that was by far one of the best thalis I've ever eaten.
Oh,
It was
wow.
that good, yeah.
And Brighton so lovely by the
Yeah.
sea. So
Yeah.
that's super, yes, exactly. So what are you going to be making? We know she's making sattu ka paratha.
I don't know actually, sir. हम क्या बना रहे हैं? हम क्या बनेंगे?
Ooh, avocado sushi.
Avocado sushi का.
Good fats.
Yeah. This apron I'm wearing so that she doesn't drop on me.
You know,
I'm eating whereas she spilled food on me.
you know,
Guys, if you're having a food fight, please warn me. I will just hide.
Don't worry, you don't do that. But you know who's going to be most happy today? My mother.
Yeah. Oh, we've got lots of pictures happening. Everybody, please tag the family.
Yes, please.
Here, so you've got a tough choice.
I'm not going to be of much help. Moral support. I could use even the visual moral support.
So are you choosing Team Sonakshi or?
I'll stick here.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
What about Zahir?
So,
I think Zahir needs some help also. No?
He definitely needs help. Would one of you like to come and help Zahir? Anybody? Put your hand up. Anybody wants to come up and help him?
Don't come and make it work. Any
Avocado sushi. Somebody. Nobody? Vishal. This is your chance. Vishal. I can see someone waving there. Someone waving there. From the press, anybody from the press? I'm here. Come, don't be shy. Come on, Okay, you've come to help. What's your name? Aruna. Zahir? Please meet Aruna. Alright. And you are? So class. Nice son.
I'm done.
What? Wait. You have to roll that. Have you ever tried making sushi before?
Never.
Never? The rolling should be fun. Have you ever tried making it before? 50%? I don't understand what that means. I think she's done what you've done. And that's where it ended. She is making sattu ka paratha. Okay, he wants to go for the Indian Sonakshi, are you enjoying this process so far? Especially when everything's already pre-chopped and everything. It makes Don't disturb. Santosh, do you cook at home ever?
You know, I cook pasta.
Oh, really? Good pasta or does he love it because Papa made it?
It's a meal pasta.
It's a meal pasta.
No, it's a very classic aglio olio.
Oh, lovely.
Really the Italian style.
Nice. So it's made al dente.
Al dente.
Perfect. Never tried Indian cooking?
You know, I lived alone for about 10 years. And I survived my own cooking. So my principle is, if I can make something that I can survive with, then that works for me.
Right. So you managed.
Yes.
And what do you think? How do you think Sonakshi is doing so
I think
far?
we're going to survive.
Not thrive, just survive. Time will tell, time will
क्या बात है वाह वाह ऐसा ग्रीन चीज कभी किसी ने ले
Yes.
Okay. मैंने कहा टीवी पे। Oh my God.
पहली बार
She cooks and she dances. Yeah. Do you dance when you cook? Santosh? Yeah. Are you making a pasta?
I have 2 left feet.
Correct. I like that. So he's looking very serious.
Messed up somehow.
You've messed up already? Shit! Oh, shit! Let's see how he messed up. Chef, you are not allowed to cook. He's got 2 helpers.
पाजी नंबर
खत्म ही हो गया आपका।
So now I'm cutting my avocado julienne style.
I'm filling my parathas Sona style.
एक मिनट रोल जय माता दी रोल स्टार्ट रोल रोलिंग
हम सिर्फ अच्छे दोस्त हैं
रोल स्टार्ट रोल सर
और कुछ नहीं होगा।
Okay.
स्टार्ट करें
Start.
एक्शन
यहाँ से कौन पहला जाएगा?
मैं करता है
First.
कोई कहीं से करो लुक सेंटर
Give center look, huh, while talking.
Oh, I'm extremely happy. This is the first time I'm actually attempted to cook something and it was in front of so many people. I was under a lot of pressure, but I think I did quite well. The happiest person today would be my mom personally because she's a fantastic cook. और उन्हें लगा कि मेरी बेटी भी मेरी तरह बहुत अच्छी शेफ बनेगी, बट वो हुआ नहीं। फिर उन्हें लगा कि मेरी शादी हो जाएगी तब मैं अच्छी शेफ बनूंगी। She's still waiting.
शायद दामाद ऐसा मिले जो भी आती है। दामाद भी।
So I think I enjoyed myself. तो शायद आगे जाकर भी I would learn a lot more cooking.
Okay, what was your experience of?
It was fantastic. I enjoyed it. I actually will do this more often. These classes.
Next question.
सेंटर कैमरा प्लीज सेंटर लुक रहेगा
Idhar
सेंटर
nahi.
लुक
हाय हाय साक्षी हाय जहीर लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ ह्यूमर ऐसा होता है कि कभी ट्रैवलिंग लोग करते हैं सो इट्स हेल्प इन लाइक डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटीज को रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरी दैट इट्स लाइक इट लेड टू सुसाइड एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स सो व्हाट आई टेक ऑन दैट कि डज ट्रैवलिंग हेल्प ऑन दिस थिंग्स इज अ गुड एस्पेक्ट व्हिच हेल्प
No, my friend, therapy helps with all these things. And traveling is in general, I feel food for the soul. But I think there are professional people who can help you with the rest of what you're asking.
It can be a small part, I guess, to free your mind from everything that's going on over here, just to cut off and go somewhere. And that way, if you're asking, then yeah, I guess.
Next question.
Frankly.
Sona, now since you've learned cooking, so the best way to
Learned.
learn cooking. So this is the best way to get into the heart of Zahir.
I'm already
और अंदर कितना होते
नहीं अब और क्या क्या बना के खिलाओगे?
I think it's a start. जैसा कि मैंने कहा आज शुरुआत हुई मेरी कुकिंग जर्नी की और आगे जाकर भी मैं बनाना चाहूँगी बहुत कुछ तो I think I should start with his favorite food. Yeah, something simple but.
She actually done it.
Yeah,
Jokes aside,
I actually made something
पानी
for
का
you.
joke था.
हाँ.
She actually made something very sweetly for me. It was a thing called bullseye. It's bread with anda and all that. It's super.
Yeah.
Next question.
और सोनाक्षी आपसे जानना चाहूँगी जैसे कि आपने बोला पहली बार कुक कर रही हूँ बट मैं जानना चाहूँगी शादी के बाद क्या आपने फैमिली ससुराल वालों को बना के खिलाया जो कि मीठा होता है तो कुछ शेयर करना क्योंकि ऑडियंस को नहीं अब तक कोई जानकारी है कि क्या आपने पहली बार बना के खिलाया आफ्टर मैरिज।
शादी में इतनी सारी मिठाई मिली हमें तो मैं एक ट्रे में सजाकर उनके सामने पहुंच गई लो मुंह मीठा करो बट देयर आल्सो लवली एंड आज आज के दिन अच्छी बात ये होती है कि लड़कियों पर उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होता. सब जानते हैं कि women are independent, they have their work lives, they have their home lives as well, और इंटरेस्ट की भी बात होती है. तो आई एम ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड कि मुझ पर वो प्रेशर नहीं है. तो इवन इफ आई वांट टू गो अहेड एंड डू इट, इट विल बी बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू इट.
ठीक है.
हम दोनों अपनी अपनी पैकिंग करते हैं. हाँ ना, वो अपना बैग पैक करेगा, मैं अपना करूँगी.
बट ऑनेस्टली मैं इसका बहुत एडवाइस देता हूँ, ये लूँ नहीं लूँ.
Like we have seen that you are seeing a short video on Insta. So what kind of fears you have managed to conquer in your adventurous trip so far?
Oh, he is extremely adventurous. I am also adventurous, but थोड़ा हद में. मतलब मैं ऐसे पागलपत्ती वाली चीजें नहीं करूँगी, बट उसको बड़ा मजा आता है. तो he took me just before that ride. He took me for this very scary roller coaster, which was like a U-pin. मतलब इतना vertical drop था उसका. मैं पहले तो बोल रही थी उसको नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना, मैं देखूंगी वो. मैं अकेले कैसे जाऊँ ना. So somehow he convinced me to go on that, and उस पर बैठकर मेरे सारे fears उड़ गए, चले गए, and that's when we decided to go on this slingshot. But बहुत मजा आया.
और
we really enjoy spending time with each other and trying out these crazy things.
और सोना आज सबके सामने वादा कर रही है कि दिसंबर 31 से पहले सोना एक प्लेन से जंप मारने वाली है. सोना इज गोइंग टू स्काई डाइव बिफोर 31 दिसंबर.
He wants me to go skydiving.
दिल पे हाथ रखकर ये वादा
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कह रही, सोचूंगी.
Thank you everybody.
इस समय बहुत अलग माहौल बना हुआ है.
नहीं लास्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया गाइस. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कम ऑन गाइस. हो गया मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Bye Sona.
Now we're going to leave the rolling. Yeah, sure. There's a. Yeah, we can just leave it back.
Guys, I really want you to appreciate.
जहीर भाई का हो गया खत्म. जहीर भाई खत्म.
Is this reminding you of home, Sonakshi?
This is the true test.
I have to say this is looking very impressive.
Is it? I think we have to taste. This will be the test. All eyes on Sonakshi.
बॉटल निकालो. बेलन नहीं दिख रही है.
अरे कैमरा
बाजू आ जाओ. जहीर भाई जोड़ा बाजू में. बेलन खड़ा रह रहा हूँ भाई. बेलन के बाजू में.
अरे कैमरा करना.
Not bad. It's actually a circle, Sonakshi. Right now it's an oval.
जहीर भाई थोड़ा बाजू में. दोनों साथ में. शेफ भाई. हाँ ये परफेक्ट.
Both are rolling different things.
ये थोड़ा कैमरा नीचे ले लेना.
सबको लपेट रहे हैं.
तेरा हो गया गाइस.
बेलन नहीं दिख रही है.
Oh, you should have it ऐसे करोगे. Such style.
Yeah.
जहीर भाई को बेलन दिखाओ. जहीर भाई को जरा बेलन दिखाओ. प्यार से.
एक ही फोटो चलेगा.
So guys, while you are doing this, do you think this is actually an experience you will take the next time you are on holiday?
Actually, a lot of fun. I'm really proud of my sushi. I think I'm a child.
It's fun, right? It actually is fun.
Ready?
फटाफट स्विच किया. असली वाला नहीं.
Yes. टीम सोनाक्षी.
मेरी माँ कहती थी when she started उनका इंडिया का मैप बनता था. Guys, I'm very proud of this.
क्या बात है.
I'm very impressed as well, guys.
यार छुरी मत टिका।
अरे यार काटने में टूट गया मेरा।
फिर से
फेविक्विक मंगाओ।
So Nakshi, now that you've seen how it gets made, do you think you'll attempt at home after this master class?
Yeah, I don't mind actually. It's quite fun.
Yeah?
I'll let you know.
Actually
बना था।
ठाकुर भाई हाथ संभालो।
We have actually done it.
Are you actually done?
Yeah.
फटाफट भाजो।
फटाफट मारो। खाना खाने से
Do you guys want to also see how
स्टाइल में सोनाक्षी जी जरा हेल्प करो उसको।
Nakshi, you can help. Santosh, your teammate is helping her rival teammate. So you need to be checking on that
Paratha is coming along very well.
Is it?
Amazing. I'm so proud.
So it looks like a truck ran over my sushi.
Yeah. Already.
Yeah.
You know you're gonna have to try each other's food now.
I'll try my own food.
मैंने आज आपके लिए
So sweet. I'm on diet.
नहीं थोड़ा तो खाना पड़ेगा।
खिलाओ
आज फास्ट है।
दूसरा फोटो है सामने वाला।
सॉस तो डालो पूरा पिघल जाएगा।
क्या बात है? आज करते हैं नॉनवेज नो नॉनवेज।
So guys, just remember you can also experience a masterclass like this and learn how to cook your favorite dishes across the different cuisines.
All you do is rent a car, go for a night long drive, you do a mess in your kitchen.
Whatever you prefer, you can do it.
On
You can do it all as a part of a connected trip on cooking.com. Am I right, Santosh?
Absolutely.
Where's your next masterclass? What
Good question.
जलने का यार है।
You know, it's actually very therapeutic, right?
Cooking. Okay.
I personally find it very therapeutic.
Really? As long as I'm not doing the chopping and
Is it therapeutic when you know? I cook so that I don't have to wash the dishes.
Smart man.
Guys, I'm going for it.
Done? Ready?
क्या बात है?
पूरा निवाला भाई
तो झालं होतं ना गुलाबजामुनचा फोटो।
Thumbs up. He gets 2 thumbs up. Clearly the workshop was a hit.
It's absolutely nice.
अभी रोटी खिलाओ।
अभी रोटी।
पराठा खिलाओ।
टाइम हो गया कैसे?
पानी पिलाओ दे। देर भाई इसके बाद
Nice. So are you going to serve us anything with this paratha?
I see some bengal ka bharta type situation.
Is it bharta?
No, it's chutney. Bengal ki chutney.
What did you eat it with as a kid?
Guys, I made my first paratha.
Sona is one of those people. Sona one of the people. Maybe you're hungry, eating.
जल गया। ठीक नहीं। और एक बार। सोनाक्षी जी यहाँ पे।
नहीं. The moment you order, eat all your food.
Correct. I feel you.
Perfect. मेरा
चलो ये पराठा खिलाओ।
गरम है पराठा।
बहुत Everybody is scared to have a bite.
आपने हाथों से बनाया। अरे भाई बैटर में। अरे बहुत गुड है। सर आप खाओगे?
नॉनवेज देगा।
सब मेरे हाथ का खाने का डर क्यों रहे? ये वेज है, काकड़ी और एवोकाडो है।
अरे खा लो।
मैं इतना जोर से नहीं कर रहा।
मैं खाली पराठा खाऊंगा।
Alright, this is amazing. He has actually finished eating everything that he spoke. Big round of applause. Chef Sahir. I'm very impressed with you also. What a shape. You actually got it.
मैंने खुद काटा था। चीटिंग भाई।
Santosh, you need to be part of this
Yes,
team as
yes.
well.
Let's Sahil try first.
Who's gonna take the risk first? डर लग रहा है सही।
धोखा है धोखा। क्या बात है। वेरी नाइस।
Sahir, I saw that reaction. Yes. Thumbs up.
Video.
Does she have a thumbs up?
Ramona, you should try.
Yeah, I have to talk.
बटर ज्यादा है उसमें।
बटर ज्यादा है। प्यार वाला। सोना का प्यार है। सोना का प्यार है।
Are you impressed, Sonakshi? I'm very impressed. I'm happy with what you made.
Very happy. I'm so proud of myself right now. I can't even but my mom will be thrilled. But मैं अभी please ऑफर करना चाहूँगी। कौन सा ब्रेव इंसान है यहाँ पर?
सब है।
पर अच्छा है। अच्छा है ना?
आई ट्राई।
खाना।
कितने डरे हो?
खा।
गुड ना? जोर से बोल ना। हाँ,
बेटर किसका था?
काशी मैम भाई था।
कितने गंदे पार्टी बदलू हो ना तुम लोग।
एक नंबर सुनो।
ये जोर से बोलो।
एक नंबर।
ये मोबाइल तेरी समझ।
ना गुरु पाजी।
चाहिए।
पाजी की शादी हो जाएगी।
गुड।
पंजाब का है।
शादी हो जाएगी। ये खा के।
पाजी की।
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
कहाँ बैठ रहे?
Thank you so much. Big round of applause for Chef Sonakshi. First time in her life she has attempted to cook and she's done a fab job. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And I want to thank Cooking.com for putting this together. Otherwise, I don't know when I would have done it. So
Making the impossible possible. And you really enjoy.
Have we sparked something new in the Sonakshi Zahir household?
possibly.
Actually, very a lot of fun. Yeah. Might be so much fun.
Yeah.
Have you ever done a trip where it's just been about food? So you plan the whole trip based on maybe local restaurants, different types of cuisine that you want to try in a particular place. Have you ever done that?
Wherever we go, that food does automatically become about, that trip automatically becomes about food. But particularly no, when we go, we want to try everything.
Right.
Yeah. So, but maybe we should plan like a food trip.
Obviously, very big part of it. It's all about food. We just finished a film, and we did a 4-day holiday where we were just, it's about cheap meals. So obviously it became only about food, and that's what we've been doing.
Fabulous. Now you guys can get your gloves off, and I would request.
Photo.
No, not right now. We have a rapid fire round. First, it's gonna be fun. Are you ready? You're gonna get your gloves off first.
He wants a photo with the.
With the gloves? The gloves are missing. Yeah. The apron is on. Don't worry.
फोटो आप कर दो यार।
That's okay. You're done with it. Now it can have the issues it needs to. Alright, so let's all come up front. loving the cucumbers. That's all he's been going on. Mike. Yes. And your Mike. Come, you can all stand here. Come, sir. So, because you are
for the live.
Yeah.
Live.
So yeah, Santosh, maybe you can come and stand here. Are you guys ready for the rapid fire round? Okay, chalo. One destination जहाँ पे आप बार-बार जाना चाहोगे.
Goa.
Kerala.
Okay. हमारे सुंदर इंडिया में आपको कौन सी जगह जाना है हॉलिडे पे जहाँ पे आप नहीं गए?
कश्मीर.
I want to go to Ranthambore.
Ranthambore. Beautiful places both. 5 must-haves while traveling.
Your wife? Your wife.
Very important.
Got it. हम एक दूसरे के साथ हैं.
So no wallet, no money.
पैसे. Completely on पैसे.
But if you planned everything on booking.com, then I guess you don't have to really.
And a good camera to capture it.
That's true. That's true.
He is actually my booking.com because he sorts everything out. So I'm sorted.
And not because we are actually used to it.
Santosh, you?
Thank you.
What about you?
What do I carry?
The 5 travel essentials, yeah.
Look, I need my phone. I'd like to say my wife as well. There's a lot of pressure.
Your daughter.
My son.
Your son.
Yes, and
That's 3.
I just need a nice pillow. You know, I find that I'm in different beds so often.
Right.
And the pillow is very important for me, right? So the pillow. And I wish I could carry that pillow around again, but it's not possible. And then what else? Just my my pajamas. Right?
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Essential.
Essential.
Really?
That's
You should do room service. You don't just sneakers.
You know, actually, we did a survey on Indians, how Indians travel, right? We put out a report, and Indians love food. And they want room service wherever they go. They want room service. They want a 24-hour coffee shop. Yeah. Much more than any other nationality. And also because we have all these dietary preferences, right? Jain food, veg food, this, that. So Indians tend to be very demanding, and they plan their entire itineraries around food sometimes.
And I also think, like you said before, Sonakshi, that food is an emotion.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We definitely need that 24-hour room service because Sona wakes up 3 o'clock in the morning, started hungry. So then I'm suddenly like a lavaris on the roads or somewhere looking for food.
Alright. Next one. This rapid fire has just like become one.
Yeah, sorry.
Rapid. Okay, let's go fast now. Hotel room or treetop house for your stay?
Treetop house.
Definitely treetop house. I would love to stay there.
I thought it's insane.
I would also say treetop house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Most memorable experience related to food during your travels and experience related to food?
I was shooting in Budapest and I was there for 50 days. And I think I sent my assistant Ganga to every Indian restaurant in the vicinity. And I think he found some 8-10 Indian restaurants. So every day my food used to Indian food used to come from a different Indian restaurant. So that's a very memorable food experience for me. Being in Budapest for 50 days, I was on Indian food.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice to know that they have so many Indian restaurants as well. What about you?
My most interesting food story is we were doing a film called Double XL, and I was told you have to become very thin. And her and Huma were told you have to put on 15 kilos.
Oh wow.
So the best, most interesting experience was that we were on a table and they were just throwing burgers and pizza and everything. And I was told you can't touch it. So the most interesting experience is when I couldn't eat any food and I could only see her eat for 2 months. This has gone.
Oh. you, sir.
So mine is from a long time ago. I was in Brazil. This is pre-smartphone era. I was traveling with a friend of mine, and I'm vegetarian. Okay, so we go to the nearest restaurant. We've got off a 16-hour-long flight from Dubai all the way to Rio, and then we get off and we're like, let's just find the nearest restaurant. Right? We go in, and my friend eats everything, so it wasn't a problem for him. But I'm like trying to talk to the waitress who only spoke Portuguese, and I'm trying to tell her I want something vegetarian, right? So she's not understanding a word of what I'm saying. And then I start making noises. So I start saying, no, I don't want it. And she's like, she gives me the thumbs up. She's like, yes, I understood. I'm going to go get you something. Then she comes back with bruschetta with salami on it. So then I just found the nearest McDonald's.
Always, whenever in doubt, head to McDonald's. Whenever you're broke, head to McDonald's. Okay, favorite on-set travel memory?
Yeah.
We've done a whole film about food, guys.
It was the
that's how much we love food.
experience, the funnest shoot. It was just a group of friends who decided to make a film together. The lead heroines didn't need to worry about their weight, and they could just eat whatever they want. So we really had the best experience doing that film. And of course we had Zahir, Mahat, there was Mudassar was there was Sandrama director, and like it was just one big group.
Nice.
And we ended up making a film.
There only one person put it in. 6 of them are Tuzo in Madrid.
Sad. So last question now. आपके bucket list पे अगला destination कौन सा है?
So we made a deal that we will not travel to a place that we've already been before.
Okay.
So we try our best that we both have not been there, but we now made a conscious decision not to repeat places. So we are hoping in the next 5 years to cover a lot of India because we've all been to the cities but not together.
Right.
So we're trying to map, and we bought this whole map and we're going to market on that all the cities that we've been to. And it's a world map actually. But,
That's so cute.
और गए भी है तो it's always been like कि shoot के लिए वहाँ पे पहुँच गए. We've not been able to go and explore the place. So, ये हमारा plan है कि हम ऐसी जगह पर जाएं जहाँ पर हम पहले नहीं गए.
All right. And what about you? I'm sure you've traveled so much. There's not much left.
No, but you know, I think the Northeast for me.
Yeah. Oh, that's on my list
You know, I
as
really
well.
want to go to Kaziranga and you know, also probably a cruise on the Brahmaputra.
Oh, that would be amazing.
That's
I want to go to Ladakh also. I've never been.
For me, it's one of the most beautiful places on earth. Like I've traveled so much, but nothing like it. Oh really? Oh wow. That must be super memorable for you as well. So, okay, this will really be the last question. As travelers, who's the stress bunny and who's the cool cat?
I'm the cool cat.
So you reach the airport like 10 minutes before the flight, fully
No,
relaxed?
I'm always on time. I'm very punctual. That's where I keep him in check because.
So there's this meme that's come out recently, ना कि husband and wife तो चल रहे हैं और husband क्या सोच रहा है और बीवी क्या सोच रही है. तो husband चल रहा है कि हमें flight 2 घंटे में हमको यहाँ पहुँचना है, security check करना है, इसको अपने जूते निकालने में 15-20 मिनट तो लगेंगे, फिर पूरी जिंदगी लगी, तो फिर मैं आगे और ये बैठे हम क्या खाना खाएंगे. So this is exactly us. Where when we say we're going here for this holiday, it's like literally she said that and left the room, and then I'm just sitting.
I checked out. My brain is also on holiday. Now you handle.
I really want her to see the stuff, the attraction that she also likes. So I always am like, baby, you like this? That's okay. Baby, you like this? Okay. And I want to be the first one.
What about you?
I'm more of the stress buster.
Okay.
Is that what you said? The term?
Stress bunny?
Stress bunny. Okay, sure. And then my wife is the cool cat.
Ah, okay, cool. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Let's have that photo op now and make everybody happy. Just request everyone to be calm. तीनों का
बीच में आके लेना.
अरे भाई बैठ तो जाओ.
इनको लेने दो फोटो।
इनको एक लेने दो, फिर आप कर लो ना।
That's it. Okay, look here. Yes. One more. Hold it. Okay, now one.